So my igniter on my older Traeger grill went out and it had to be replaced. So I went online and looked at the various videos to see what the best way was to replace it. And this one seems to work the best. For me, it was easier just to turn it on its side so that I could get to it. I didn't end up taking off the entire pellet box. I just went ahead and unscrewed the fan from the housing there, and that made it easier to get to the wire and then thread it up and through the hole and into the actual grill itself. So a lot fewer steps, but definitely removing the fan made a big difference. It's just 4 regular Phillips screws, and that was pretty straightforward. All right, fan is back in. One correction, those are the 6-sided 1/4-inch screws. All the wires are zip tied back together.